Hello guys, welcome back to Obidia TV. It's your sister, your friend Obidia. Before we start, are you guys seeing my look? This makeup was done by my sister-in-law. She have a YouTube channel called Ngolove TV. I will flash it here. You guys have to visit her channel. You have a lot to learn. She's a professional and she's also a good cook. She does makeup and cooking in her channel. So support her, guys. Check out her channel and go and support her. You have a lot to learn there. So thank you all so much for coming back to Obidia TV. My people, this one, I don't understand the kind word we would do today. The kind mothers we be say we they see today. Today, what I want to talk about here. Now two story here, but now one thing, now these two evil he-goat did. One, na father, where jogodo in your son, 3 years old son. And the other one, na grown-up boy, na where it should be 20 or 20-something years old boy, where jogodo two of his cousin, and one of them come meme. So now the two, now I bring here today. So let's talk about the first one. This one, a grown-up man, papa, where get the mind, take jogodo in your picking. I don't understand the society where we did. I don't understand the kind of evil we don't take over our society. Make I ask this question. Which kind feeling that they get? How they tell they get that kind feeling for small pikin? Now wetin I no understand be that. Jogodo, now wetin be say you go even do if you relax. Still you not go enjoy them. How much more the one where you do in a hurry and do in a forced way? Force the person to do it. How these people mentality, how their brain till they work? Are these people really okay? I mean, mentally. Are they mentally stable? Are they mentally okay? I don't understand. Sometimes I would think maybe they are not mentally stable. They are not okay. But sometimes, with what will come out for their mouth, you go no say that they okay. How father go jogodo in your pikin finish? He go come tell you say na devil work. If he not they okay, how you tell no say devil they exist? You understand, my people? Okay. This man so where jogodo is old 3 years old pikin. Make una dey hear me. This one a man of 43 years old man. Na Igbo man be this. Ikechukwu Nkenta. I don't know if I pronounce the name well. That is it. 43 years old man. No be say he not get wife, oh, he get wife. His wife go market. Before the wife come, now he don't disguagua the small girl. Then when this woman come for market, when he want bath the pikin, he can't notice. Now he can't call the husband. Call this he go so. Call and say, see. He said the man not deny. He agree, say yes. He really do one. So they can't carry the pikin go hospital. Then this woman now can't go tell that is the father-in-law and the mother-in-law. See what your son do to your daughter. Then the mother-in-law now and the father-in-law, what they're supposed to do, then come, they threaten the woman. Say, if you let that thing come out to public, they go deal with them. My people, what kind of a mother is that? Your old granddaughter, 3 years old daughter. Good mother, you go carry better iron. Say iron that your son. Iron that is dagger. Yes. Rather, no. You support your son. They threaten your daughter-in-law. Say if the secret go out, you go deal with them. What a mother. Funny enough, these two very topics so where I want to talk about here now. It can't be said the mothers were involved. Mothers of this e-goat That is, I don't know. They have a lot in common. Now, the same thing that happened for the other one. You understand me? The other one, these children, these two guys, one are 8 years, one are 5 years. This one happened for Sierra Leone. Then they live with their auntie. So this the auntie get a boy will be he goat, son will be he goat. All of them, they live together. These children now, it be like say their father they America, but they're not there in good time. The father of these children and the mother, they are not together. So the father be done plan to come take one of those children to America, mostly the one with women, but the mother not agree. You understand? So they come there with this their auntie. This their auntie son, where they because it's so this their auntie son. Come they jogodo the 8 years. Come they jogodo. Then the mother of this boy, this the auntie know. Say our own son jogodo this 8 years old girl. Then the mother now come threaten the 8 years old. Not tell anybody. If you tell anybody, I go deal with you. I go do this one. I go do that one. He can't threaten the girl. So the girl not really talk. What's it gonna happen now? This her son. This he got so. Can't transfer the yogodo. He can't go transfer him with the 5 years old girl. Now that one now. As he do that one can't meme. So he strangled that one for neck. Whether he don't jogodora meme feeling before he twist her neck, or maybe in the process when they jogodo, maybe the girl be they cry or something. Now he twist her neck. Nobody know how that happen. So the small girl, meme, if you not see Peking, the Peking fine, very pretty girl. I go flash her picture here. So they be won't even go bury the girl. The father can say no. May they take them to hospital. They need to know what happened. In the process, they come find out say na jogodo to death. Na it be. He jogodo ran until ikpeme. So now the father can say, okay, Mona go take the first daughter will be 8 years. Mona still go check him. Because for that boy to do 5 years, that means he go do the 8 years. Now they carry the 8 years, go hospital, go check him. And they find out say that one only pot, he don't wipe past River Niger. Not be once he don't do that, not be twice. He just they do that one as he want. He be like say that one now, he don't too enjoy that one. Now he say make him try the small one. Make still know how he go be. In the process, the small one come me. They don't arrest the boy and the mother. I go flash their picture here. Una see the evil mothers wait there for these two cases where I talk so. The other he got mother threatening her daughter-in-law, make it not talk come out. Then this one now, the mother threatening the girl, make it not talk come out. I just imagine what kind of a world are we in today? What kind of society are we in? How can you cover up such sin as this? And we say we want our society to be better. What type of evil have taken over our society? Una go agree with me, say, this boy where jogodo is too cozy. And we say the mother do the right thing when the son jogodo the 8 years old. Maybe the boy for not get mind again, we go to do this small one. We can't little meme so. Because the mother cover up and threaten the girl in the process. Then he give the he-goat, the son he-goat, more energy, you know, to carry on more evil hearts. Una see am? So now wait it take this beautiful girl life. Now it be that so. And I ask myself, what is really going on? Because when I was growing up back in the days, mother go leave children. You go come to a village where children go full outside. You go even they go live like 10 children for only one person for house. Men day, boys day, things like this no they happen then. what is really happening. My people, I just say make I use this opportunity to talk to my people. This time around, you don't trust uncle, you don't trust brother, you don't trust husband. With your children, who are we going to trust? My people, my women, please, because any child that gone through, that experience this forced jogodo, that they live with that trauma for the rest of their life. The pain is too much on them. So I am pleading with every woman out there, every mothers, whether you are married, you are single, let your children be under your watch. Protect your children with everything you got. Protect your children. Don't leave your children with anybody. Don't leave them with your brother, their uncle, your neighbor, anybody at all. Let your children be under your watch. Protect them with everything you got. And if any reason you witness such thing, don't let anybody oppress you or intimidate you not to talk. My sister, speak out. Fight for your child. Fight for your child. Because if you quiet about such thing, you are even wicked like the person that do that evil. Yes. If you are a mother to a he-goat like that, speak out. Not cover evil like that. If not, that is, your punishment will be greater for you to cover such sin. So, my people, make una choke mouth for this video. Make una leave una opinion. For these two different videos where I bring the same thing, but two different videos happen two different places. The first one happened in Nigeria. Why the other one, the little boy that the jogodo today, that one happened in Sierra Leone. So let's hear your opinion on this matter, my people. Thank you all so much. I really feel sad about this. Mostly that little girl that they jogodo to death. Oh, if you not see Peking, the Peking too fine. I feel so hurt. I feel so sad. I feel so terrible about it. An innocent girl just like that. They just cut off her life just like that. This world is wicked. People in it are wicked. There is nothing like Lucifer or devil. We human be. Now we be God. Now we be Satan. Now we be Lucifer. Yes. Now we. I mean they stop that topic of now devil work. You are the devil. You are the devil. And I pray such egos, may they not leave them for society. They know what to live with human being. May they get their deserved punishment. It's very, very important. I wish say we get better law in Africa. All these things for the stop. If we're not too much like this, because it's becoming unbearable. Every day, this one jogodo, the other one jogodo. Imagine the one that happened in Edo State few weeks ago. The one where they jogodo for inside Redeemed Church. And I pray may they catch that man. They send a pastor and a wife. Now I send the Ogbalegbewe to him. I pray may they catch them. They're not going to feel run forever. May they catch them. So my people, don't leave your children in the hands of your brother, your neighbor. Be careful. Be very, very careful. Make sure you understand and trust the people you are leaving your children with. Mostly the female children. Protect them with everything you got. So thank you all so much. Please share this video. Leave your comment there. Let's hear what you have to say about this video. I will appreciate if you have not subscribed to my channel. Please, this is the right time. Subscribe and be part of this my amazing family. And turn on the notification bell as to be getting more video from me. God bless my old subscriber and the new one that are yet to come and subscribe. Thank you all so much. Until I see you on my next video, remain blessed and stay safe. Bye, guys.